Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is Indian Geography Set 4. Question number 1. Which of the following groups of rivers have their source of origin in Tibet? Option A. Brahmaputra, Ganges, and Satluj. Option B. Ganges, Satluj, and Yamuna. Option C. Brahmaputra, Indus, and Satluj. Option D. Chenab, Ravi, and Satluj. The correct answer is Option C. Brahmaputra, Indus, and Satluj. All the 10 major river systems of Asia including the Indus, Satluj, Brahmaputra, Irrawaddy, Salween and Mekong originate in the Tibetan Plateau. Question number 2. Which of the following measures are effective for soil conservation in India? Avoiding crop rotation or forestation, encouraging the use of chemical fertilizers, limiting shifting cultivation. Option A. 1 and 2. Option B. 2 and 4. Option C. 3 and 4. Option D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is Option B. 2 and 4. Techniques for improved soil conservation include crop rotation, cover crops, conservation tillage and planted windbreaks and affect both erosion and fertility. Question number 3. Which of the following crops needs maximum water per hectare? Option A. Barley. Option B. Maize. Option C. Sugarcane. Option D. Wheat. The correct answer is Option B. Maize. A fully grown maize crop will need more water than a maize crop which has just been planted. As has been discussed before, the crop water need or crop evapotranspiration consists of transpiration by the plant and evaporation from the soil and plant surface. Question number 4. The watershed between India and Myanmar is formed by Option A. The Naga Hills. Option B. The Garo Hills. Option C. Khasi Hills. Option D. The Jaintia Hills. The correct answer is Option A. The Naga Hills. The Naga Hills, reaching a height of around 3,825 meters, lie on the border of India and Burma. They are part of a complex mountain system, and the parts of the mountain ranges inside the Indian state of Nagaland and the Burmese region of Sagaing are called the Naga Hills. Question number 5. The originating in the Himalayan mountain complex consists of how many distinct drainage systems of the Indian subcontinent? Option A. 2. Option B. 3. Option C. 4. Option D. 5. The correct answer is Option B. 3. The originating in the Himalayan mountain complex consists of how many distinct drainage systems of the Indian subcontinent was 3. Question number 6. Which of the following dams has generations of power more than irrigation as its main purpose? Option A. Gandhi Sagar. Option B. Hirakud. Option C. Periyar. Option D. Tungabhadra. The correct answer is Option A. Gandhi Sagar. The Gandhi Sagar Dam is the first of the 4 dams built on the Chambal River. It is located in the Mandsaur district of Madhya Pradesh. It is a 64-meter high masonry gravity dam, with a live storage capacity of 6,920 m³ and a catchment area of 22,584 square kilometers. The dam was completed in the year 1960. Question number 7. The proportion of forest to the total national geographical area of India as envisaged by National Forest Policy is Option A. 30.3%. Option B, 33.3%. Option C, 38.3%. Option D, 42.3%. The correct answer is option B, 33.3%. It also proposed that 60% of the land in the hills and 20% in the plains and in all 33% of the total geographical area should be under forest/tree cover. The serious depletion of forest resources due to biotic and industrial pressure and other reasons made the policymakers review the situation in the late 80s and evolve a new strategy for conservation of forests. The National Forest Policy was once again revised in 1988, which envisaged community involvement in the protection and regeneration of forests. It accorded highest priority to sustainable management of the forest resource. Question number 8. Which of the following areas or regions is most prone to earthquakes? Option A, Ganga-Brahmaputra Valley. Option B, Deccan Plateau. Option C, Plains of Northern India. Option D, Western Ghats. The correct answer is option A, Ganga-Brahmaputra Valley. The Brahmaputra Valley is a region situated between hill ranges of the eastern and northeastern Himalayan range in eastern India. Question number 9. Which of the following important rivers of India does not originate from the Western Ghats? Option A, Kaveri. Option B, Godavari. Option C, Krishna. Option D, Mahanadi. The correct answer is option D, Mahanadi. The Mahanadi is a major river in east-central India. It drains an area of around 1,41,600 square kilometers and has a total course of 858 kilometers. Mahanadi is also known for the Hirakud Dam. The river flows through the states of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Question number 10. The percentage of India's total population employed in agriculture is nearly option A, 40%, option B, 50%, option C, 60%, option D, 70%. The correct answer is option D, 70%. The percent of India's population employed in agriculture is nearly 70%. Question number 11. Which of the following crops is regarded as a plantation crop? Option A, coconut. Option B, cotton. Option C, sugarcane. Option D, rice. The correct answer is option A, coconut. Plantation crops constitute a large group of crops. The major plantation crops include coconut, arecanut, oil palm, cashew, tea, coffee and rubber. The minor plantation crops include cocoa. Their total coverage is comparatively less and they are mostly confined to small holdings. Question number 12. Which of the following countries leads in the production of aluminium and its products in the world? Option A, Australia. Option B, France. Option C, India. Option D, USA. The correct answer is option D, USA. Bauxite is typically found in topsoil located in various tropical and subtropical regions. The ore is acquired through environmentally responsible strip mining operations. Bauxite reserves are most plentiful in Africa, Oceania, and South America. Question number 13. The natural region which holds the Indian subcontinent is option A, Equatorial Climate Change Region. Option B, Hot Desert. Option C, Monsoon. Option D, Mediterranean. The correct answer is option C, Monsoon. The natural region which holds the Indian subcontinent is monsoon. Question number 14. The most ideal region for the cultivation of cotton in India is Option A. The Brahmaputra Valley. Option B. The Indo-Gangetic Valley. Option C. The Deccan Plateau. Option D. The Run of Kutch. The correct answer is Option C. The Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is a substantial level in western and southern India. It ascends to 100 meters in the north and to in excess of 1000 meters in the south, framing a raised triangle inside the south-pointing triangle of the Indian subcontinent's coastline. An increasingly confined definition restricts the Deccan Plateau to the high tableland between the Narmada and Krishna waterways, where leftovers of magma beds are to be found. Its name is gotten from the Sanskrit Dakshina signifying south. Question number 15. Which of the following are true with respect to the Indian Peninsular Plateau? The southern plateau block is formed mainly of granite and gneiss. The Deccan Lava Plateau is an elevated tableland consisting of horizontally arranged lava sheets. The Malwa Plateau dominates the Vindhyam scarps, forming the northern flank of the plateau. The trough of the Narmada and Tapti are interposed between the Vindhyan and the Satpura ranges. Option A. 1, 2 and 3. Option B. 1 and 2. Option C. 2, 3 and 4. Option D. 1, 3 and 4. The correct answer is Option C. 2, 3 and 4. Typically the Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt extending up to Bhorghat near Karjat. This is an extrusive igneous rock. Also in certain sections of the region, we can find granite, which is an intrusive igneous rock. Most Deccan Plateau rivers flow south. Most of the northern part of the plateau is drained by the Godavari River and its tributaries, including the Indravati River, starting from the western Ghats and flowing east towards the Bay of Bengal. The Peninsular Plateau is composed of two parts, i.e. Malwa Plateau and Deccan Plateau. These two parts are separated by the Vindhya and Satpura ranges. The river Narmada, which flows through a rift valley, divides the region into two parts, the Malwa Plateau in the north and Deccan Plateau in the south. Question number 16. Which of the following types of soil are mostly confined to river basins and coastal plains of India? Option A. Alluvial soils. Option B. Black soils. Option C. Laterite soils. Option D. Red soils. The correct answer is Option A. Alluvial soils. Alluvium is loose, unconsolidated soil or sediment that has been eroded, reshaped by water in some form, and redeposited in a non-marine setting. Alluvium is typically made up of a variety of materials, including fine particles of silt and clay and larger particles of sand and gravel. Alluvial soil, a fine-grained fertile soil deposited by water flowing over floodplains or in riverbeds. Question number 17. The two states of India most richly endowed with iron ore are Option A. Bihar and Orissa. Option B. Madhya Pradesh and Orissa. Option C. Bihar and West Bengal. Option D. Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. The correct answer is Option A. Bihar and Orissa. The two states of India most richly endowed with iron ore are Bihar and Orissa, also known as Odisha. Question number 18. The most fertile region of India is Option A. The Himalayas. Option B. The Central Highlands. Option C. The Indo-Gangetic Plain. Option D. Peninsular Plateau. The correct answer is Option C. The Indo-Gangetic Plain. Indo-Gangetic Plain, also known as Indus-Ganga and the North Indian River Plain, are the most fertile plain. The most fertile plain in India is Indo-Gangetic Plain. Question number 19. Which of the following groups accounts for over 90% of India's annual coal production? Option A. Bihar, Orissa, and West Bengal. Option B. Bihar, Orissa, and Madhya Pradesh. Option C. Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Option D. West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Option A. Bihar, Orissa, and West Bengal. Jharkhand is the largest coal-producing state in the country, followed by Orissa, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, previous part of Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. 1. Jharkhand. 38% of the total reserves of India are found in this state. Question number 20. The significant shifts in Indian agriculture during Green Revolution include: Option A. Non-food grains reported some spectacular progress and shift in the cropping pattern. Option B. Major food grains, in the eastern regions productions decreased and in the northern states increased. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option C. Both A and B. The significant shifts in Indian agriculture during Green Revolution include are: 1. Non-food grains reported some spectacular progress and shift in the cropping pattern. 2. Major food grains, in the eastern regions productions decreased and in the northern states increased. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.